All right, here we go with Robert's website DataGrab. I'm going to extract web data without coding. Okay, so this is a scraping tool. Automates data extraction from any web page, allowing you to set up your scraper easily by clicking and selecting elements. So you kind of did a good job until here of telling me what you do without saying scrapers, automates data extraction. I think this is good. I have to come for Chrome for free. So this button should contrast way better with the blue. Right now, it's kind of, it's transparent. It's almost invisible. I would make this yellow. It's going to be ugly, but it's going to be so much easier to see. Like if I drop these glasses, I know from the design and the context that, yeah, this is probably the CTA, but it could stick out way better. So dropping the glasses is how I test whether someone with low vision could um, yeah, let's get a background, could tell where they needed to click. Yeah, that's a very ugly shade of yellow, so I think we're actually going to go down to like orange. Orange and blue are like opposite on the color wheel. It's a pretty good shade. Is it pretty? It's not ugly, but the important thing is that now it contrasts way better with your website. So much more obvious what needs to be clicked. This is good. I like seeing a demo. It's a little like blurry, right? It's not HD, which is I'm sure is for size, but it just makes it harder to follow when it's a little bit blurry. So I would maybe shrink this a little bit, or try to get a higher definition version of it, even if it's a little bit bigger. I know it's a balance, but maybe make this the last thing that loads, or load a low res version first, and then load the high res version if you see that the user has a fast enough internet speed. Get as fancy as you want, but the fact that it's a little bit blurry makes it harder to read. Um, Harder to like. It's a distraction and also like a negative signal. Cool. I like that it's sped up. Lead gen, real estate, setup, run, download, features. So this is kind of overwhelming, the number of use cases. Maybe pick a few less, and then let people expand. There's like a blank space here. Maybe just get this down to 4, or center these guys, or do 2 rows of 3. Yeah, big thing that's missing here is social proof. I would love to see logos of companies that are using it. So look through your users. Are any of them on a like Uber.com domain? Now you can say used by employees at Uber, for example. Um, Also look for testimonials. You have a bunch of, let's see if you have a bunch of reviews on Google Chrome. Nah, not yet. Um, yeah, get more reviews on Chrome for sure, and then kind of bring some of those reviews right into your landing page. It's all about the social proof, but yeah, it looks like a solid app. It's a good landing page. I would change the contrast here, fix the resolution here, um, less text down here, although not a ton of people get down here if you do a good job, and more social proof.